Hello everyone and welcome to Lazy Learners. Today we are going to study about the cathode ray experiment. So, let's begin the video. The cathode ray experiment was conducted by Sir Joseph John Thomson in 1897. Now let's look at the setup which was done for conducting the experiment. As you can see that in the middle there is a cathode ray tube which contains two main components, cathode and anode. At the very last of the setup, the cathode and anode of the tube is connected to high voltage, and inside the tube cathode rays are being released, and in the tube the air is at a very low pressure. There is a gap in the tube which it is connected to a vacuum pump, allowing the electrons to travel freely without colliding with air molecules. At the end of the cathode ray tube opposite the cathode, there is a screen coated with a phosphorescent material, such as zinc sulfide. This screen emits light when struck by the cathode rays, making the path of the rays visible. The key observations of this experiment were: direction of cathode rays. The cathode rays were observed to travel in straight lines from the cathode towards the anode, indicating that they were composed of charged particles. Deflection in electric and magnetic fields. When electric or magnetic fields were applied perpendicular to the path of the cathode rays, the rays were deflected, suggesting that they were negatively charged particles. Phosphorescent coating. By coating the end of the cathode ray tube with a phosphorescent material, such as zinc sulfide, a bright spot or glow was produced when the cathode rays struck the coating, indicating the presence of the rays. Now let's discuss some things that were discovered through the experiment. Discovery of electrons through the cathode ray experiment. Thomson in 1897 determined that cathode rays were composed of negatively charged particles, which he named electrons. This discovery provided the first evidence of the existence of subatomic particles and laid the foundation for the development of atomic theory. Charge-to-mass ratio. Using the cathode ray experiment, Thomson was able to measure the charge-to-mass ratio of electrons by applying electric and magnetic fields to deflect the cathode rays. This ratio provided important insights into the properties of electrons and their behavior in electromagnetic fields. The cathode ray experiment was a landmark in the history of physics as it demonstrated the existence of subatomic particles and paved the way for the development of the atomic model. It challenged the prevailing notion of the atom as indivisible and led to a deeper understanding of the structure of matter. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and I'll be back with another topic soon. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.